Operating instructions. Factory settings. Any finger can unlock. Enter administrator fingerprint. Press the fingerprint and hold until the green light is on. Then enter the same fingerprint 6 times. A long beep indicates a success. Enter user fingerprints. Press the administrator fingerprint and hold until the blue light is on. Then enter the user fingerprint 6 times. A long beep indicates a success. Factory reset. Delete administrator and user's fingerprint. Press the administrator fingerprint. Hold until red light is on. And press the administrator fingerprint to confirm. A long beep indicates a success. The lock also could be unlocked by physical key. Please attention, physical key and fingerprint are not allowed to use at the same time. When a low battery alert appears, connect the power supply to charge.